Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yes.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have fried goat, okay? Haitian fried goat that I made myself. Yes, I did. I did.
Yes, she did. We got this before, but we didn't eat it on camera.
Yes.
All right.
This is also known as Tasso Kabrit.
Kabrit. Hope we're saying it right.
Tasso Kabrit.
Tasso Kabrit.
Yes. So what it is just fried goat. I'll give you some, like just tell you how I made it really quick. But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We are back. You like it. I love it always.
I'm so excited.
And no other guys like it or love it but me. Okay. First of all, as she said, it's fried goat. It look like pork, but it's not pork. So don't say Richie. That look like pork. On
What's
first
the
lady.
what's the fried goat? I mean, what's the fried pork called?
They call it griot. I think they call it griot. Yeah.
Okay.
So, hold on. So first, let me put my grace on deck on my side. Yo.
And this is pickled salad. Okay. Great. And this is a pickled cabbage with carrots and stuff like that, and it's really pepper. Let me taste it.
It's litty, son. I thought you were gonna use the fork. I don't want to put my thing right here. No, but I was gonna use this spoon to your fork to let it drain out.
Oh.
I don't want the thing.
Oh, us.
What do you want?
I'm gonna get a different one because I already done licking.
Oh. I'm not getting up, and I have one closed. Here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
So this is pickled cabbage. You gonna put it right here?
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Pickled cabbage. Yep. No.
And they have one that has
Spicy.
onions, yeah, onions and stuff like that, and it's very good on fish.
Okay, family.
So good. So
I
good.
tried it first, but look now. Here we go. All my Haitian families out there, you know. Tell the greedy couple if she first day they did good. I think first they did excellent. Look at it. What do you think? Look at it. Yeah, we see it first day. They see it. So comment down, you know. Our Haitian family. And tell me how first day they did. I think first day did spectacular.
It's so good. It does feel like it's fried pork. But it's not.
It's not. I gotta make them see it. And the rice is nice and flaky like how I like it. Sorry. Oh, and we got pear, aka avocado.
Yes.
Okay. For my rice lover, first you make the rice and peas. You know the rice and peas are nice. Check it out. You don't have to put your hand there. It's flaky. Yes, I already dropped the recipe for the rice and peas. So if y'all don't want to know how the rice and peas is made, for a new family member, go check it out. First they do put up deer.
Now fried goat is exactly how it sounds. It's just fried goat. So
you did good. I ain't gonna lie, no cap. You did good.
thank you, baby. And honestly, I didn't watch any recipe.
Nothing. She just did it off the dome.
I just figured I know how to season goat. Instead of putting curry on it, season like you would regular do, and cook it down. And once it gets soft, then I fry it.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep. So let me know. I think she did excellent. Yep. Cause we sure do love fried goat. First thing you're gonna try to grill by yourself.
To fry it?
No. To when you gonna.
I did. Oh, we had
Oh, he did.
Friday. That was very good.
Oh, you did have it on the Fast Food Friday.
That was very good.
If you didn't see that video, go check it out.
It was a while back too.
It was a while back. Yo, we want to fry oxtail too. Wow. You be hiding out, son. Yes, I cracked the bone with my teeth. Wow. Excellent. I see my Haitian family, why it's so expensive in a restaurant. It is expensive.
It's like $19 for a plate of fried goat.
It's expensive.
I said, I'll make my own. Hey, you napkins here?
I love it. It's delicious.
It's delicious. Very cool.
I ain't cap. It is nice. Again, you did excellent.
Thank you, honey.
You know, I got some mix up in here. Richie's thing.
I love the gravy too, you know.
Very nice. Wow, juice sweet. One thing with these Minute Maid juice, they be having it to be sweet. I gotta go write them, yo. Family, when you drink those Minute Maid
And say
juice,
what?
say, yo, y'all making the juice too sweet. You know what I'm saying? What?
Exactly.
Again,
Can I pause
if
it?
you didn't see it, I'm gonna show you. If you stepped away from the camera, here we go.
Put some gravy, some more gravy
Here
for
we
my
go.
rice. One more gravy, honey? Put some more gravy for my Richie rice. Come on.
Don't put it by my hand, water. Man.
The fried goat.
Spectacular.
I think I said it right, right? You just season it,
Yeah, you
cook
said
it
that.
down. Okay, good. I'll make sure.
It's good.
And it's very soft. See?
Very soft.
Very soft.
Very soft.
See?
I told you, you did good, yo. It's like you made this before. You hold it out.
Keep it up.
You hold it out. This is good.
Okay.
Seasoned right too.
It has a nice season.
And you know, I took like about 3 pieces. I had to taste it, you know? Can I taste the pie?
And Richie came from work. It's first thing he did.
Wow. It's the gold for a wee.
Yeah. So soft.
How was your weekend? You
Yeah.
forgot to ask. Are you busy talking about a spectacular meal? It was, so. Oh, sorry to hear that, but, you know, it happens sometime. Just keep pushing, you know?
How was your weekend?
It was good.
You gotta go back to work.
I didn't want to go back to work, son. But somebody got to do, you know?
My weekend was great.
That's how it was yours.
I made some red pea soup on Saturday. And I just sat in front of my TV. Just watching movies all day. I'm actually watching a series. It's called All American. Let me know if you guys have watched that before. My son has been telling me to watch that series for like over a year, to be honest. And I'm like, yeah, I'll watch it. I'm not really a series person because I feel like it'll be somebody will say, oh, go watch this series. And then you go look at it and they'll have 9 series and each series have 20 episodes. I'll be there for 3 years. Watching a series. No, sir.
I know a lot of people love Netflix. I don't know, but Netflix. Y'all love Netflix like that too? Everybody's talking about Netflix and chill. Everybody be on that Netflix.
But I feel like when we go on Netflix, it's like old movies.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, we missing something? Let us know where we have to go get them good movies. Okay. You know what I mean? Let me taste one of your fried goat.
You full?
No, I said let me taste one of your fried goat.
Why?
Cause you're a little different. You ask me if I'm full. Well, why would you think I'd be full?
Okay, like you're keeping your rice on my side.
I'm gonna get to it.
Oh.
I ate my rice already.
No.
Well, keep your rice on my side. You see how she trying to treat me?
I put it down there. That's too much rice. Can't you have too much rice? Yeah, my red pea soup came out so good. My God.
It was delicious.
My gosh. So why you think my goat tastes different than your goat? Are you see I'm goat now?
No man, your goat look different, man. Your fried goat look different. Family, see if you try and trick me? Boy, the rice is not moving. And the name of all that rice, you know?
A lie.
Family member won't lie in that. They know. They gonna say Shanice, aka First Lady. That's right, First Lady in the building.
Guys,
Well,
I saw Richie been chatting ever since he got home. And said, I'm trying Richie walk through the door, Richie been talking non-stop.
what I eat?
That's what I'm telling you, a beer chicken batter union. I know say you have chicken batter, I know that.
Oh my God, I'm chicken batty.
You have chicken batter.
What's your batty?
Because that's what you said, you know. What you said?
Wow.
I want to make jerk chicken, and you said you have chicken batter.
And I made free. Chicken batty like a chat.
So, that's a saying in Jamaica. When you talk a lot, we say, it must be chicken butt you yum. Meaning, it must be chicken butt that you ate because you're talking a lot. So,
You know, treat me today. And your mind went and your mind go, oh, this is so good though.
tell you. I have rice everywhere.
Last piece. You're not getting no more after that. After this, you're not getting no more. Yes.
Love.
You're too greedy. That's right.
How can people not drink water?
Ooh. Don't do that to me.
Remember last time?
No, it ain't gonna happen again.
The spoon before in your eye?
Family. Quick story. One day. Oh God.
What story are you telling, Richard? Oh.
I'm telling about it. Family. One day, First Lady. Started off First Lady and I finished.
No.
Sometimes I forget how the story started. No.
No. Let me tell you.
Yeah, tell the story. Can you tell a good story? Y'all like when First Lady tell a good story because I just go all over the place, but y'all still listen though.
No, you don't.
First
You
Lady.
tell good stories. I know what you're talking
First Lady
about.
tell a good story. Go ahead, First Lady.
And you ain't trying to hype me up.
Tell them what happened, what you did to me. I was so mad to freak. Go ahead. Tell them. Alright, go start it off now. Do your thing.
So we was probably about, I was probably 24. He was 23. We had just moved to
First Lady's a cougar.
this area,
She's a cougar.
and Richie pissed me off so bad, family, like he normally does. Okay, because Richie's annoying.
You're 9 too.
Like he pissed me off so bad. I can't even tell you what he pissed me off about, but
I
he
know,
pissed
for
me
real.
off.
That was a long time ago, family.
That was about
That was in dinosaur days.
whew,
Long time.
about 15 years
Yeah,
ago.
long time. Long time, yeah.
Yeah, because we was only dating. Yeah, we were only there for like 3 years, something like that. Yeah. So
Just fresh in that relationship, isn't it? You know? But we know each other for a long time. We just go ahead First Lady. Shall I piss you off? Okay, go on, tell this
Piss
one.
me off, bye,
Tell them
bye,
I piss
bye,
you off,
bye.
exactly. Yeah, right, blah, blah, blah. What happened now?
So I said to Richie, you know what? I sat here and I slaved over the stove and I made his favorite oxtail and I made fried chicken, rice and peas, plantain.
Favorite.
Okay, family, we're back. Sorry about that. The camera died. Oh, we needed to make some space in the camera. And it died. Okay. So Richie pissed me off very bad.
I didn't piss you off. I don't know why you was mad. Why I didn't piss you off. So anyway, talk. Don't tell people I'm piss you off.
Because you do. So
Here she goes.
I said to Richie, I made all this food, and then you come from work with your attitude, you piss me off, right? Okay. Richie has a habit of saying he don't care, but I know he cares. Richie said, I don't care. I don't have to eat that food. I don't want none of that food.
What, family? Made it hungry, a freak. My favorite, I was starving. But I had to pay the tough roll. I said, I don't want it. I don't want it. Yeah, I don't want it. Yeah, I had to play the tough roll. I said, nah, I'm not eating it, son. But damn, I was hungry as hell.
What you say? Nah, yam that.
Nah, yam that may I tell you.
I said, okay. At that time, my sister lived in Fort Lauderdale. So I called her up and said, mind you, it was like 12 o'clock in the evening because I cooked Sunday dinner early. And I said, did you cook yet? And she said, no, I'm tired, I don't feel like cooking. I said, all right, bet. Me and the kids, we coming down there. I'm going to bring the big Sunday dinner and me and going to yam it. Kabrit not get none of my food. Not even want him smell it when me I share it out.
Yo, family. First lady pack up the pot.
Pack up pot.
With the oxtail. The rice.
Fried chicken.
The fried chicken.
Plantains.
Duh.
You guys know Oliver, right? When he go up on the plane and then pull out all kind of pots and all kind of dishes.
My God.
That's what I did. I put every single pot that I used in my trunk, wrapped it up, and I gone by my fucking business.
Family. Yo. First thing they pack up my favorite and got a foot and I said, wow, son.
But let me tell you something. Because of the person that I am, Richie pissed me off so bad. But even while I was packing it up, I felt so bad.
Pack everything for me, no matter you.
But then I said, no, man. Richie has to learn to stop saying stuff like that. Oh, I don't care. I don't want none. When he know he really does,
Family?
no. I had to teach him a lesson.
She did teach me a lesson, freak. I ain't gonna lie. That food, my favorite, you know?
My sister was like, you put your foot in this food. She's like, so what happened? Richie had to work? I said, yeah, he had to work. He had to work, so.
Where's it? This, my man. Food is nice, you know? Good food, you know?
Yep. Because I didn't want to fall asleep and Richie go sneak in the pot and get none.
I sneak in that damn pot, yes. Did you bring back home food? No? So what did I eat? I go buy food? I don't even remember what I ate, family.
I don't care.
I don't remember what I ate, but I
mean, I don't know.
I don't know what I ate that day. Right, nothing. But I had to stick to my word and say, nah, I don't want none, dog.
So how did that work out for you?
Yeah, shit. It hurt me a freak. I said, actually, I drive me, I stink with Axel, you know? I said, that look like Axel, you put your foot in that one that
yes,
you know?
and Richie, he will say, he still says that though. He's still like, oh, I don't care. I don't have to do it. But when it comes to food, him not say that. He said, he ain't testing me no more.
Nope. You know me, I don't play around when it comes to that food time.
But that's when you're young and you do things, you know? But as you get older, you don't do it anymore. But it really, it hurt me to do that to him. But I had to. I had to.
First they teach me a lesson, family.
Yep. I'm gonna sleep over the stove with my bigger oxtail. Come tell me about you don't want none.
Yeah, you gonna give him oxtail. You think I forgot it's that time right now. If you've been here, might as well subscribe, because now you're gonna get the word of wisdom. You know? AKA Pastor Richie in the building.
That's a good way to say it.
Well, we got that, yeah. Listen to this one now. Work while they sleep. Learn while they party. Save while they spend. Then live like they dream. What do you think about that one?
I love that.
You love that one? Oh, look at my first lady here. Good, get a look at first lady, beautiful hair. Turn around, let us see your hair, first lady, please. That's it. Look like Pee Longstocking. There we go. Yeah, I think I forgot. First lady took out her hair. So what hairstyle you think first lady should get? And don't go say the expensive hairstyle, because I gotta go pay for it. So don't do that. Okay?
I do my own hair.
Shauna K, Miss Gina, every one of my family members, do not say that, please, because I have to pay for it out of my pocket. Alright, but whatever first lady want, I'll pay.
Oh, God.
Alright, last one for the road. If you missed it, or you got up to go do something, alright, now, you're back now.
That's true.
Work while they sleep. Learn while they party. Save while they spend. Then live like they dream.
That's a great one. That's a great one, honey.
Yes. You know what? I'm going to finish my food before you said I didn't eat my food. I eat my food to show you. See, last piece? I ain't going to put it too far because y'all be going hard. We shared with y'all. Right?
I'm full.
Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you're new, we are the Greedy Couple. But wait, if you enjoy the show, hit that thumb. You know what I'm saying? Give us a like. You know what I'm saying? And just subscribe after that. Go ahead. Full of talking free.
Yo, your mama see.
Yo, come along full of poet.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. I hope you enjoy.